Today we are going to learn how to remove shadow. So this is the shadow and you have to remove this shadow. So we cannot remove completely shadow, but we can remove a little bit shadow. So you can see that we have removed. So let's start our video. First of all, make 2 copies and then go in window, or you will find here channels. And second way of going into channel, you can find in layers. You will find channels. Okay, so here you will find channels. I can put into this like this. So now this is channels, this is layers. So hold Ctrl Alt Shift Command, then hold Shift Ctrl and Alt, then click on RGB. It will create a selection of bright areas. It is bright areas, but we need dark areas selections. So you have to reverse this. How to reverse? Go into selection and click on inverse, and you can press Shift Ctrl I. So I am going to press Shift Ctrl I, Ctrl Shift and I, or we can press on this. So now this is selection of dark areas, not of bright areas. It has inversed. Now we have to click on Control Command J. When you will click Control J, it will create here a duplicate. It will create selections. Okay, so in separate layer. Now go into mode and change the mode into screen, normal to screen. Now you can see this is the bright increased. So but we don't need bright of these areas, only we need in dark areas. So let's create a mask. Click on mask with Alt, hold Alt key and then click on mask. It will create invert mask. It will create invert mask. Then take a brush. You can take a brush. Now where you need to bright, you can brush it like this. Like this you can brush it. Only in shadows areas you have to brush it. Now you will find this is the before and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after. Now create one more copy. Ctrl J, and this is the before. This is the before. This is the after. Create a folder. Ctrl G. Now this is the before and this is the after. Now click on upper layer and then go in adjustment layer and click on curves. We need to add curves. Click on the line and then drag it upside. You will find that it is putting on all layers, but we need mask. Click on here. Now you will find that it is only on first layer. Now it is applying on first layer. So go on the mask and Going to red channel, blue channel, and change something. Click on line and drag it down. Going to red channel and drag it to upside. Click on red channel and decrease the red. Now click on blue channel. Here is the before, here is the after. Now this is before and this is after. So in the curves we have added yellowness by the blue channel. If you will drag it downside, it will increase yellowness, and if you will drag it upside, it will increase blue. So you have to increase yellow but not much. Then go into red channel and increase redness, because we need redness a little bit, not a full. Then after that you have to click on RGB channel. We don't need of green, and drag it a little bit upside. Now we have to go layers, and you can see here is the before and here is the after. Now you can if you want to increase yellowness, so you can go in color balance or hue saturation. We have to go color balance and you can change it like this, but we need a mask because we need only darkness. We need to apply these things only in darkness, so we have to click on mask. When you will click on mask, it will change only on darkness or you have applied. So like this you can change. You can increase yellowness as well, but we need a little bit redness and whiteness a little bit. I will not apply this. If you want, you can apply. I will delete this, and now this is the before and this is the after. If you want to make up in a layer, so you can click Ctrl Alt Shift E. When you will click, it will change in one layer. Only in one layer it will convert, and this is the photo. Like you can Ctrl C and paste anywhere. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.